So I started using Number Talks at the beginning of the school year, and I started using it with the students using very simple concepts such as these. And then I moved on using these number dot cards, and then we started moving on and made it a little bit more difficult and started using these. And as I saw the students progressing from the easy to the difficult ones, they started getting really excited because they were starting to understand the idea of recognizing the cards when they looked at them. And as we are progressing now in math, I've noticed that students are understanding the number-related sentences better and the fact strategies, and now that we're doing the part-part whole models, they're using some of the strategies that we used in the Number Talks and transferring it to the part-part whole models and the fact strategies and the number-related sentences. They're getting really excited because they're connecting what we learned at the beginning of the year and what we're learning now. So I have really enjoyed teaching Number Talks because I see how the students have grown by using the Number Talks.